up, YouTube? This is Pablo from Muscle Cam Bullies, and in front of the lens is Yariel, along with Ferragamo, our new addition to the camp. He is a Hugo Boss son, Boss grandson to our girl, Hugo Boss to our girl Prada. Altogether, the breeding is a 7 times phenom. A lot of great dogs in the pet. A lot of great structure, color. As you can see, he has beautiful front feet. He's only 15 weeks, but he's a very promising dog. He's great temper, beautiful structure on him. Just a puppy, but as you can see, look at look at that chest on the boy. Stand him up, buddy. Beautiful spread. He is gonna be something else. The boy is gonna be something else. If you guys want to keep subscribe to the channel, hit like and hit the bell to keep up with this boy. We do have puppies off this litter. 3 males, I believe, and 1 possible female keeper. They're all litter mates. There might be our keeper female we might move. Great, beautiful girl. You can check us out for pictures and videos on our Instagram. The link is below, along with our Facebook. Our number is also there. If you have any questions, any concerns, you can contact us. Don't be afraid anytime, and we'll be glad to answer your questions and show you more pictures and videos of the pups available. Guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, please hit that bell, subscribe, and give us like. Thank you. Bye.